So the reason that wolf dogs exist is because people like Marlon think that it'd be so cool to have a dog that's part wolf, and they're like, oh, it'd be so tough, my dog's part wolf. But what actually ends up happening is you get this animal that's part wolf, so they're really, really...
Oh my God, my elbow one.
Focus.
Oh my God,
they're
yes.
really, really dangerous, or they can be really dangerous to have in your home. They can be a higher risk to small pets and children and you, right? They're more unpredictable. So then more than 90% of the time before the age of 2 years old, they're euthanized in homes because they don't work out as pets. But then they can never be released into the wild because they're part domestic dog. So then they're in this weird limbo.
That's kind of, that's kind of weird.
Yeah, they're in this weird limbo where they have nowhere to be in this world, even though they're not supposed to be in the world. It's just humans created them.